Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to use your scientific calculator to generate terms of a recurrence relation quite quickly. Now, first of all, before I start this, I just want to say that if you struggle to use your scientific calculator and you're unsure as to how to use it after this video, please don't stress, it's still perfectly acceptable to generate them using your calculator manually. So I've got a wee picture here of a scientific calculator. I'm assuming that this will be similar to what most people have. Don't worry if yours isn't the exact same. It will have very similar functions. So we can use our scientific calculator to speed up generating the terms of the recurrence relation, and to do this we make use of the answer button, which stores the last answer. So I'm just going to highlight this button for you. It is down here. Okay, so this is the answer button, and all that does is it stores the last answer for us, so make sure you can find that on your calculator. What we're going to do is we're going to use the following recurrence relation to demonstrate how to put them into your calculator. So you might want to make a note of this one. un plus 1 equals 0.2 un minus 4 with u0 equal to 2. Okay, so we've got the calculator here again, and I'll just kind of put a wee bubble around this to remind us this is what we're doing. So we've got 3 steps to put it in. The first one is the most important. You have to set u0 in your calculator, and u0 is equal to 2. So all you do in your calculator is press the 2 button and then equals. And what that does is it sets u0 as your first answer in your calculator. Now after that, what we have to do is enter the recurrence relation. So press 0.2, then answer, take away 4. And what that does is it gets your calculator to do 0.2 multiplied by whatever the previous answer is, take away 4. Now if you hit equals, it should give you negative 3.6, which is a value of u1. Some of you might have that displayed as a fraction on your calculator. To get it to a decimal, remember and press this SD button. Okay, I'm sure most of you know where that is. After that, it's really straightforward. To generate the next term, you simply press equals, and that will give you the next term in the sequence as negative 4.72. What I'd like you to do is make sure you've programmed this into your calculator and try hitting equals. Hopefully you will get the next term. So u0 was 2, which we set. u1 was negative 3.6. u2 was negative 4.72. If you press equals again, you will get u3 as negative 4.944, and again you will get u4, which is negative 4.9888. It's much quicker than having to type in the recurrence relation each time, and as you can see with this example, our values of u1, u2, u3 and so on, they start getting quite a few decimal places in them, so it's to save you having to type all of that in. I'm going to put another example on, and I'm going to ask you guys to try it yourself on your calculator. So now try un plus 1 equals 0.6 un plus 7 with u0 equal to 4. I'll just reveal the steps here just to let you try it. Okay, hopefully you've had time to program that into your calculator. If not, press pause and take a wee bit more time. But if we type that in, we should see that we get the value of u1 as 9.4. And all we need to do to generate further terms after that is simply press equals. So we'll get u1 is 9.4, u2 is 12.64, u3 is 14.584, u4 as 15.7504, and so on. That's it, there's nothing else to it. The key thing is just remember to set your initial value. So set your value of u0 by pressing the number, and then equals. As I said at the very start of the video, if you're struggling to do this in your scientific calculator, please don't stress about it. It is perfectly acceptable to manually type the recurrence relation into the calculator every time. It takes a wee bit longer, but it's absolutely fine. The main thing is that you don't stress about it and you find a method that works best for you.